Kia ora koutou, Reese from QuickSense here, and today we're looking at circumference and area of a circle. Now in this question we are told the radius of the circle, so r is equal to 10, and we're asked to find the circumference. So to begin with, I'm going to write down the equation to find the circumference. So the circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. Another way you can write this, and you may have seen it, is pi d. So pi lots of the diameter. But the easiest way to think about this is in terms of r, right? And r is 2, the diameter is 2 lots of the radius, which is where the 2 comes from. So in this instance, c is equal to 2 pi 10. Which is equal to 20 pi centimeters. Now sometimes you may be expected to write this as a decimal number, but where possible, it's good to keep it as precise as possible, and that means keeping the pi as part of the answer. So what's the length of the circumference? 20 pi centimeters. In this next question, we have another composite or compound shape. Specifically, it's a kind of running track with 2 straight lengths and semicircular curved parts. So what's the perimeter of this track? Well, we know that we've got 2 lots of the straight size, so that's 2 times 50, which is equal to 100 meters. And now we have to figure out, well, what's happening on this curved side here? Well, this curved side is actually, right, we're going to think about this as having a diameter that goes through the center. And as we can see, this here, if I connect it to this, is going to make a single circle. And that circle, let's just graphically draw it here. Oh, beautiful circle, right? It's going to look like this. Less good with the highlighting. Now, what do I know about the circle? Well, I know that the diameter is 40. And the important thing I want to know is the circumference. And the circumference is equal to 2 pi r or pi d. And in this instance, I'm actually given the diameter, so I'm going to use that. So the circumference is equal to pi lots of 40. Now, because I'm given this value here, well, let's do that in yellow, as a single number, 100, not 100 times pi or anything like that, I'm going to convert this pi lots of 40 into something that doesn't include pi. Right, so let's unsimplify that, as it were. 40 times pi is equal to 125.67 meters. And for the total perimeter, right, the perimeter is equal to 100 plus 125.67, which is 225.67 meters.